Arnold. I'm a fourth grader from Span Elementary. Today I will be showing you how to make a lava lamp. So back in the 1960s, it was really popular to have a lava lamp. And today I will be showing you guys how to make one. So my ingredients are vinegar, food coloring, baby oil, and baking soda. So first what you want to do is get your coloring, open it, to put 3 drops in there. Then you just want to pour a little bit in there. And then you want to add your baking soda to make it activate. Just need a little bit, just a little tiny bit. And then now you got a lava lamp.